Hello everyone, hope you all are good and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to analyze bridegrip.com website and I'll also explain bridegrip.com is a scam or legit. So watch the video till end guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website. And you can see this is a summer store where you can get extensive collection of various products, home accessories, kitchen accessories like Dreambox, Blackhead facial kit and drifting tricycle, full size key generator and cage beer, hybrid hobby greenhouse, etc. So you can find the products along with their prices. Now let's take a look at the About Us section. So here you'll find the entire information related to the company and website. So read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. Let's move with contact us information because contact us information signifies legitimacy of a website. So here you can find the email address, that is customer@webelement.top, and you can see the office hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But guys, I'm not able to find the official address of the company, so which shows that this website can be a scam. Now let's take a look at the privacy policy. Here you can find another email address for privacy, that is privacy@bigcommerce.com. So you can read this information for your knowledge because it is important to read entire information of a particular website before making any online purchase. And I think there is no shipping policy available. Here is the shop option. You can find your desired options here. So yes, but guys, I want to tell you that this site has an unknown trustworthiness score, and I would suggest not trust a website that has a low trustworthiness on what. And it is also important to check the domain details. So yeah, of course, the site uses an HTTPS secure connection which is valid up to October 9, 2020. And guys, we don't have enough data to rank this website, so I'm not able to tell the entire information related to the website. And when it comes to domain registration, the domain name was registered only 1 month ago, which shows that this website may be a scam. So guys, I want to tell you that before reviewing or purchasing anything from a particular website, always check the HTTPS connection and the website URL, the website about us and contact us information, because it shows legitimacy of a website. And apart from that, always go for website reviews. So I'm not able to find a single review on this website, even not other platforms as well. So I think I have done with the information. This website can be a scam.